Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with UNICE and they sent me their upgraded Yaki straight bye-bye slip lace wig in the length 24 inches. It's most certainly giving bust down middle part, and again with the Yaki straight texture to give you more of that African American like texture. Mine is a 7x5 lace cap construction for that nice glueless fit, and she's 180% density, so it gives nice and full but just not too thick and heavy or bulky. Definitely on the fuller side, but again just not too much. And look at that texture. Although it's Yaki, you can still silk press this one out and give it a super rich, shiny, high sheen, natural look. And again, this is just with a nice simple press. No oil or product was added to the ends. So for today's video, we're going to do a straight out of the box beginner friendly wig install. This one includes a nice natural melted lace, also with the micro baby hair, which you can skip that step if it's not your thing. This one gives more of a sleek, neat, classy vibe, but you also get the va-va-voom when it comes to the length. And the icing on the cake is this is an upgraded cap construction, so you get the thin, upgraded, adjustable elastic band in the inside, as well as the medical silicone anti-slip technology. Now that is embedded in the nape as well as the crown of the head. As you'll see in the video, there's 3 strips right here at the crown, as well as these strips all around the nape, and it makes it so that when you put the wig on, it sits in place. It's like a magnet, if you will, where you just slip it on and it'll hold the wig in place no matter what. And then again, that adjustable strap as well as that drawstring are going to keep everything in place. Because did I mention the drawstring? My favorite part is in this wig as well. I'm so excited about this wig. I'm just rambling on and on, but let's get right into the video. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into it.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
City light, feel the bass in my heartbeat. We gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer.
Yeah. Is it my life? Ashley Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids, yeah. yelling mom every 5 minutes. Coffee in hand, but the cup's half missing. Still making magic like a mom, a magician. Packing up lunch, just find a missing shoe. Somebody spilled juice, nothing new. Husband laughing, babe, how do you do? I just smile like watch, I always pull through. Juggling the house, the love, the crew. Running on grace, but the strength feels new. Some days crazy, some days smooth. But love is the rhythm I dance right through. It's a mom life, Ashley, but living in a high life. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines, cheering with the crowd hype. Yeah, we do it all, but we do it with a warm smile. It's the mama, balancing it out with a little bit of God style. Even when the world goes wild, she's still steady with the love that goes the extra mile. Dance bags, hair bows